Glass cleaning. It's no use improvising. Glass cleaning may seem simple. Many magic formulas have been created over time. Formulas that give much more work with not as much satisfactory results as you want: newspaper, cloths, squeegees, etc. There are adaptations that can even work on other types of surface, but when it comes to flat glass, these formulas leave them opaque, greasy, or even dirtier than before cleaning. In addition, scaffolding ladders and other traps are used for cleaning high glass in facades, companies, sheds, and bring serious risks of accident. Bralimpia solution bring years of improvement and represent the most effective solution available in the Brazilian market for cleaning of flat glass in heights up to 9. How does Bralimpia glass cleaning work? Two main components form the Bralimpia glass cleaning system: the washer and the window cleaner. The glass washer consists of a cable and the washing glove. The synthetic fabric of the glove has certain abrasiveness to spread the cleaning solution and through the friction dissolve to remove parts of the soils. These washer sets may have different lengths to perfectly suit with various solutions. The glass cleaner is also formed by a metal guide wire and the rubber blade. The living corner of the rubber blades uniformly withdraws the liquid and the residues and dirt already dissolved by the washing action. The good statue of these rubber blades provides uniform cleaning with speed and superior results. These systems can be used on windows, doors, facades, and any other glazed flat surface. Procedures. To start glass washing at any height, start by removing the sturdiest units with the aid of the Bralimpia spray and scraper. They are two models: a smaller safety one for quick interventions and a larger one for larger areas, and that can be used with telescopic Bralimpia extensions. Start by moistening the washer with the aid of a spray or a Bralimpia bucket. These are the two best ways to wash glass. The first is to wash the dampened washer on the 8-pane windows, taking care not to leave any area without the cleaning liquid. And start cleaning with a cleaner, also with 8-shaped movements. When the rubber blade has excess liquid, dry it with a clean cloth and proceed with cleaning action. In the other form of strip cleaning, the solution is also spread with a washing glove, and then the wiper is used to remove the dirt, leaving the glass dry and shiny. Finish cleaning with a clean cloth by removing moisture on doorknobs and other parts of doors, windows, facades, etc. Cleaning glass at heights. The Bralimpia system allows the cleaning of glass in heights up to 9 meters. The height of the extensions is changed by loosening the connection by turning it counterclockwise. Once the appropriate height is chosen, thread the connection clockwise by locking the session. The procedures are the same. However, as lateral displacement of the washing glove in height becomes more difficult, moisten the W-shaped glasses according to the image. Separate total area into small rectangles by moistening an area without letting the cleaning solution dry. After having spread solution, replace the washer by the cleaner and start drying the glass by the upper part by moving the cleaner down. Combine 2x1 Bralimpia. You can also use the combos that contain the washer and wiper on the same equipment. The procedures are the same. For glass cleaning in places with obstacles or difficult access, Bralimpia developed the angular adapter that increases the reach of the equipment and provides greater firmness for the operators.